Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a car frame. First, you'll need to understand the fundamental types of car frames, like ladder or unibody designs, to choose the best fit for your project. Next, gather all necessary tools, including welders, grinders, and measuring equipment, along with your chosen materials. Always ensure you have proper personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, before starting any work. Careful planning is crucial for a strong car frame. Begin by defining what your vehicle will do. For example, a heavy-duty truck frame needs different specifications than a lightweight race car. Create a precise blueprint, detailing all measurements and where components like the engine and suspension will attach. For materials, consider high-strength steel tubing, often with a wall thickness of 1/8 inch, or lighter aluminum alloys for performance. Now for the hands-on part. Using your design, precisely cut your chosen material, whether it's steel or aluminum, to the specified lengths and angles. Then, carefully fit and securely weld or fasten these components together. It's vital to maintain perfect alignment throughout this stage, perhaps using a jig, to ensure the frame is straight and strong. Double-check all connections for maximum structural integrity. After fabrication, a thorough inspection is key. Carefully examine every weld and joint for any imperfections or weaknesses. Next, apply a durable protective coating, such as primer and paint, to shield the frame from rust and environmental damage, extending its lifespan. Finally, take one last set of measurements to confirm that your finished frame perfectly matches your original design specifications, ensuring it's ready for assembly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.